My dear viewers, now discuss what is precipitation reaction. Give the example. A precipitation reaction is a chemical reaction that occurs in a solution where two soluble ionic compounds react to form a new substance, insoluble compound known as a precipitate. This precipitate is a solid that separates from the solution. An example, this is reaction between silver nitrate, that is AgNO3, and sodium chloride NaCl. That is the equation, chemical equation AgNO3 silver nitrate sodium chloride NaCl form white color precipitate AgCl, that is silver chloride and sodium nitrate. This example, the insoluble silver chloride AgCl solid form as a white precipitate. Thank you, my dear viewers.